Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Casey, and let me tell you, New Jersey from the sky, whole different ball game. Forget what you think you know about the turnpike or traffic jams. We're about to take flight and see this state like never before. Drones, man, they change everything. Suddenly you're not just driving through, you're soaring. And trust me, there's a whole lot of beauty to soar over. First up, let's talk beaches. We've got miles of coastline, and from up here it's unreal. The waves crashing, the sand stretching out, the boardwalks buzzing. You can almost smell the salt air and feel the sand between your toes. It's like a postcard, but better, and because you're right in the action. Next stop, Liberty State Park. Lady Liberty herself standing tall with the Manhattan skyline in the background. Pure magic, my friends. And the history here, heavy stuff. Millions of immigrants passing by this very spot, chasing the American dream. Gives you chills just thinking about it. But New Jersey ain't all cityscapes and ocean views. We got the Pine Barrens too, this wild, mysterious forest that seems to go on forever. From up here, it's like a green carpet stretching out to the horizon. Legends of the Jersey Devil lurking in those woods. Spooky stuff, but hey, that's part of what makes this place so interesting, right? Now let's talk about Newark. Gritty, real, full of energy. You see the streets from above, the buildings, the bridges, and you realize this is a city on the move. But then, boom, right in the middle of it all, you got Branch Brook Park. Cherry blossoms exploding in the spring. Nature finding a way, even in the concrete jungle. And that's the thing about Jersey, man. It's full of these contrasts. You got the beaches, the forests, the cities, all jammed together in this little state. And each one of them has its own story to tell, its own beauty, its own vibe. Drones, they give you this whole new appreciation for that. They let you see the connections, the patterns, the things you'd never notice from the ground. And that's what I love about them. They open your eyes to the world in a whole new way. So next time you're in Jersey, look up. You never know what you might discover. Peace out.